Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to create a simple AI chatbot using Excel. Yep, you heard that right. Excel is not just for data analysis. It can also be used to build basic AI chatbots with a little help from VBA and some smart formulas. Let's dive in. A chatbot is a computer program designed to simulate human conversation through text or voice interactions. It uses natural language processing, NLP, to understand and respond to user inputs, making the conversation feel more natural and human-like. Chatbots can be used for various purposes, such as customer support, information retrieval, personal assistance, education, and entertainment. Let's now focus on types of chatbots. Quickly, rule-based chatbots. These follow predefined scripts and respond based on specific keywords or patterns. They are limited in their ability to understand complex queries. AI-powered chatbots. These use machine learning and NLP to understand and generate responses more flexibly and contextually. They can learn from interactions and improve over time. Let's develop simple AI chatbot using Excel. Excel is not just for data analysis. It can also be used to build basic AI chatbots with a little help from VBA and some smart formulas. Create a simple chatbot that can answer common questions based on predefined responses in Excel using Excel's built-in VBA editor. I'll walk you through how to create a simple chatbot that can answer common questions based on predefined responses in Excel using Excel's built-in VBA editor. By the end of this video, you'll know how to 1. Set up a chatbot system in Excel. 2. Use Excel formulas to match user input with predefined responses. 3. Automate chatbot interactions using VBA. Step 1. Set up the Excel workbook. Open Microsoft Excel and create a new workbook. Create the sheets. Sheet 1. Rename this sheet to Chatbot Data. Column A. This will store the questions. Column B. This will store the responses. Cell A2. Type Chatbot Response, where the chatbot's response will appear. Here is the Excel workbook with the sheets. One sheet named Chatbot Data and another named Chatbot Interface. In Chatbot data, worksheet, column A, this will store the questions. Column B, this will store the responses. Row 2 to row 31 contains some common questions with expected responses. You can customize it as per your need. Once done with the Chatbot datasheet with questions and corresponding responses, we focus on designing the Chatbot interface. Here, cell B2 is used to take input from the user. Cell A1, type user input, where the user will type their question. Cell B2 will display the response from Chatbot. Cell A2, type Chatbot response, where the Chatbot's response will appear. Resize the row width and column height to make it look good. Resize the row width and column height of cell B1 and B2 also to help user to type the question and check response from Chatbot. Now let's use VBA, Visual Basic Application, code to handle the Chatbot logic. Recall to enable the developer from earlier videos on macros in Excel. Let's define a code to get the user input entered in the cell and find a response in Chatbot datasheet. Let's define a procedure named getChatBotResponse with the sun and in sub keywords. Click on Developer option that displays the VBA option. Clicking on it will display the VBA code window. Select Module from the Insert menu option to add the module to define the function. Now, let's add the procedure named getChatBotResponse in the module. I have already developed the code. We'll copy and paste in the module. The code simply declares some variables, objects to use them to get the input question entered by user. Then in Chatbot datasheet, the question is searched. If found, displays the corresponding response, otherwise will show a message. Let's copy the developed code. Now let's paste it here. Observe here the range A2 to A31 has the questions, and B2 to B31 has the corresponding responses. To add action to the chatbot interface sheet, let's add a button which clicked will call the procedure Get Chatbot Response to run VBA code to find and display the response. Click on Developer option. Select Button option from the Insert option displayed, as can be observed. Specify the procedure Get Chatbot Response as the code to be executed when button is clicked to get the response. Change the caption of the button to Get Response. Clicking on button without specifying any question displays the following response: I am your friendly bot. To test the created bot, let it this instant copy any question from the chatbot data and click button to get the response. It works. Great. Your simple chatbot using Excel is working. Try any other question to test it. It's working for this question also. Try for more questions. All the best. You can add more questions and responses in the chatbot datasheet to expand the chatbot's capabilities. So there you have it, how to build a simple AI chatbot using just Excel and VBA. We cover how to set up the datasheet, write the VBA code, and add a button to interact with the chatbot. Users now can interact with the chatbot using the chatbot interface sheet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more Excel tips and tricks, and leave a comment with any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Enhancing the chatbot. Multiple responses for the same question. Use more advanced matching algorithms to handle typos. Integrating AI-powered services like Dialogflow for more complex chatbots in the future. Add more questions and responses in the chatbot datasheet to increase the chatbot's knowledge. Use wildcards or regular expressions in the instructor function to handle more complex user inputs. Use wildcards or regular expressions in the instructor function to handle more complex user inputs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more Excel tips and tricks, and leave a comment with any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Please do visit my blog. Thanks once again for watching the video.